Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and I'm back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about Mirror Protocol, and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the very description, so you can check them all one by one. Before you start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Dishan Hormuz. So let's get started regarding Mirror Protocol. Basically, I just want to give you some important price prediction right now. You can see if you look to Mirror Protocol, in some time they get a huge spike up to almost up to 30% plus easily from you can see from 4 date, you can see from 3 date, and right now if you look to the date is 10 date, but if you look to the huge spike, this is almost done by them on 4 date. So basically why they get a huge spike. And if you look, this is a 1 month chart, and right now I'm not recommended this one project because this one project is still on uptrend, and as well as this project is still on, you can see, on more risk, because you can see this project are working on their all-time high, and right now they are stand on at their all-time high. So we can see this one project anytime into a dump, because there's some event behind that, and you can see at the event time the main circulating supply will be burned, and after that they're getting a huge spike by them. So that's why I'm not recommended right now this one project. But if you want to participate in this one project, so I'm recommended to buy this one project from 1.23, and as well as you can also buy from 1.2283, because this is a good place to buy and this is a good place to participate in this one project. And after that we can see anytime a huge spike. But if you wanted to find this one project up to 1, so it is a great opportunity to buy this one project in $1. And after that I just want to scroll down. If you look to all-time high and all-time low, all-time high and all-time low are restricted due to some errors. You can see they are showing a year ago. All-time low are restricted, and if you look to all-time high is 12.86, and it is done, it is get a huge up to 84.36% a year ago. And right now if you want to participate in this one project, you will be get almost 84.36% off in this one price. But this all-time created by them a year ago, and right now I'm not recommended, because if you participate for this one all-time high, so it means that you will be wait almost for 1 year, because this project will become a long-term project. But I want to recommend it for short term, and for short term if you want to participate in this one project, so you must be participate from 1.18 1.122, and after that you simply participate in this one project easily, and you will be get almost up to 30% easily from that sides. And after that I just want to go to Mirror Protocol. If you look to the Mirror Protocol on Twitter account, so basically you can see it is almost 100.2k followers, means that community is also too much better. And you know about that, if community is more, so we can say that this project are more important for us, because of this project is fundamentally strong project. And after that if you look to the trade mirror, you can also use the Mirror Protocol app as well as, but you can see choose any link below to access the decentralized web app. So basically you can also use the app of this one project, but I just want to go to the main Mirror trading platform. So you can see there's a different type of project, you can also review that, and there's a different type of APYs. First of all, if you want to do a trade with them, and after there's also some simple option for bro and farm and governance and my page. If you look to my page, there's also some important detail about this one project. But first of all, it is too much important to connect your wallet with them. After that you will be easily to get a special APYs from their sites, because if you connect with them, after that you will be easily get up to 11.2% just by Alibaba Group Holding Limited. And as well as there's a different type of project. If you want to stake, if you want to give your coin, your tokens to farm, so you'll be get a passive income from their sites. This is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video, and it is too much important to follow their Twitter account and Instagram account and Twitter account and Discord account, because you will be stay up to update from their sides. So this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.